Okay, arriving in a comfortable position, allow your eyes to gently close. Begin to focus on the breath as you breathe in through your nose. Feel your whole body expand. And as you breathe out through the mouth or nose, feel your whole body begin to let go and relax. And as you reach the end of the breath, just notice there's a pause before you begin to breathe in. And with your next inhale, do a gentle breath into the belly, pause, and then do a second inhale into the chest, pause, and then release slowly through your mouth or nose, and then pause. Again, breathing into the belly, pause, a second breath into the chest, pause, and then slowly breathing out through your mouth, all the way to the very end, and then pause. Keep this going for the remainder of this 5-minute exercise. If your mind becomes distracted by a thought, feeling, or sound, label your distraction as thought, feeling, or sound inside your mind and return back to the breath. Again, remember, if your mind has wandered to a thought, feeling, or sound, label and return back to the breath. Give yourself a wonderful inner smile. Bring yourself back to your surroundings and get a sense of how you feel after doing that exercise. The double inhale, or also known as the physiological sigh, is a very powerful way of returning your nervous system back to baseline. So moving it from that flight or fight mode back to knowing you are safe, and it can really calm you down. If you notice yourself feeling stressed, you can do a few double inhales and very gently extend the exhale to calm your nervous system down so you can be more focused, more present, and more confident with your day. Again, thank you for listening. And if you would like more variety with these 5-minute exercises, please come and join me on the Another Level channel, where I'll be creating some new 5-minute mindset training exercises, perfect for those wanting to make meditation their new non-negotiable habit, but also wonderful in strengthening that central executive network so you can remain present, calm, focused, and more intuitive. Thanks for listening. Thanks for joining me. And I look forward to connecting with you in the very next episode. Have a wonderful and peaceful and present day.